This is not acceptable. The sound is away from the pedal. So you hear the sound. This is not acceptable. This sound for if you're using the pedal. So I have to find out what I can do here. The first thing I have to do is some air in this pedal here. It's not working until it comes here. Sometimes I have to move the metal thing here a little. We still have the sound here. If it's touching here on the left side, maybe I can move this pedal a little to right from inside. I have to check that. I can do that. So the pedal is not touching the wood. Maybe I have a little space to move the bolt here, the screw. Away from this side here. So I could make some little space here so the sound is away from the pedal. We'll make it a little tighter here. There it is. That. Now we can use the pedal. We try how it is. Is it okay or not? I put the pedal down. So, the pedal is working, no sound when I put it up and down like it was before. Oops, so we fixed the problem there. And now I will put the piano together. If you have some questions, comment below and I will answer you. So this is the name of the piano I was tuning and fixing a little. Brasted, London, old piano. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.